Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Ashley. I'm so happy to have you join me here today. I'm a licensed esthetician and we are going to be doing a brow wax and tint on my best friend Lizzie today. So right now I'm just kind of mixing the tint and I create this nice little like medium brown paste. This is going to turn into a more dark brown because her natural hair is definitely more on the dark brown side. So what I like to do first with these brows is I like to take an aesthetic wipe and I like to take the green tea cleanser from Skin Script with a little water, and I like to clean the brows off first to make sure that it's fully prepped for tint. Now here you're going to see me kind of brushing up the brows because it makes a more clear view on where I should put the tint on the bottom of the brow. Even though it looks like I just start smack dab in the middle, but I like to make sure I fully coat the brows with a decent amount of tint because later I will go in with a semi-damp with just water Q-tip and I will clean it up so that I can tint only in the areas that I want it to tint. Here I am just going in on the other side, and so this one's going to be tinted first and then this one's going to be the second one, and you'll see I will remove the tint on the eyebrow that I did first and then I will go in and remove the one I did on the second one, but I like to go in order that way so that this can get equal amount of tinting done. If you didn't watch my first brow waxing tint video, I take a dry aesthetic wipe and I lightly remove any like excess wet tint on top, but I leave some tint on the brows so that I can continue tinting while I am waxing the brows because it gives it an opportunity to just become a little more darker than like originally going in with a wet aesthetic wipe. And now I'm just kind of brushing the hairs up so that I can prep for waxing. So in this brow wax with my friend, I know her skin very well, and I know that her skin tends to sometimes lift when I do brow waxes because as you can see she's super dry, and when you wax with soft wax sometimes it can remove a top layer of skin that you don't want it to remove. So I like to use hard wax for her because it's a lot more delicate on the skin and it doesn't lift her skin, so I just always use hard wax for her in particular. And I know a bunch of other clients that I do this with as well if they are on any type of Accutane, which you really shouldn't get waxed on any type of Accutane or retinol in general, but if they got off it maybe like 3 months ago, even 6 months ago, I like to take precautions and always use hard wax on clients that I feel like might lift. Also, tearing up is completely normal. As you can see, she teared up a little bit. She literally had like no hair in the middle of her eyebrow, but I like to always hit it just in case. And if you guys are wondering, every time I hit the end of my wax, it's just me making a tab so that it's easier for me to pull the wax off. Okay, now here's where I go in with my wet aesthetic wipe. Now this has the green tea with water cleanser on it, and I'm just kind of removing any excess tint that is necessary, and then I am brushing up so that I could trim, because some of her hairs you can see are kind of like on the longer side. So I just gave them a quick little trim, and then I'm going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side. Now I just like to do this as like an extra step. You don't really have to with hard wax, but I like to give them a little massage with some lotion so that they feel like they don't leave with any residue or any stickiness. Sometimes I will also use grapeseed oil. This is a fragrance-free massage oil. I just like to get any excess removed that I might have missed. Here is the final brow look. It looks so good. We reshaped them, kind of gave them a more arch, made them a little thicker. I hope you guys liked them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Looks nice.